Hello everyone and welcome to my first programming in C++ language tutorial. I've tried 2 times ago to make a tutorial, but first time it didn't want to compile my program, and the second time I didn't open my microphone. So let's do it. Okay, let's do everything. Yeah. So first we must download a compiler. I downloaded Visual C++. That from that link. I'll put the link in the description. I installed it. It's very easy to install it. Okay. Okay. So let's see something about programming. I installed it, so let's run it. That's here installed. I know that my English is bad and my microphone too, because the microphone is from my laptop, and my English is okay. So let's make our first program. Okay. So we first install that. I'll put the link in description, and we install. Run it and click on new project. Here we'll want an empty project and say his name. Hello world. Okay, so we are creating that empty project. Okay. So the code is with the compiler transformed all my code into binary, and from binary to an application. Okay, you get it. So first we must do is to add a source file, and we'll click add and new item. From new item we'll click C++ file and we'll enter its name. We'll see it will be source.c++. Okay, that's the extension of C++ files, and add. And we see that here we can write any code we want. Okay, I will write the code for the hello world program, and then I'll explain you everything. Okay, and that's the problem. It's very easy, and from all these commands, only that writes on the screen hello world. Sorry for that. Sorry. Okay, so let's run it to see what happens. Yes. Okay, so we see that a console window started, but it closed so fast, and we don't want that. So first I'll explain you everything. So include IOStream says IOStream is a library, and here we find every command from C++. Okay. So that we say to look in that library for commands using namespace ctd. That allows us to use cout, only cout and scene, but in other videos we'll talk about scene and strings and arrays and vectors and and functions and variables. Okay. Int main, that comes from integer, and that's a function where everything in program runs. Okay, cout writes on the screen that message, and return 0 returns the exit value 0. Okay, so our problem is that that window closed so fast. So how do we make it? We'll write here system okay. So we say it to make a pause when that we'll see. Okay, yes, and we created that program, and it said hello world, press any key to continue. Okay, so it writes our message and says if we want to close that program, we must press any key. So if I press enter, that program exits. But now we have another problem. The problem is that hello world and press any key to continue is the same line, but we don't want that. We want to be on separate lines. Okay, so let's close it, and we'll write here and okay, that ANDL comes from English from end line, and it says then you write this on screen, you end line, and write your message. Okay, so let's view it. Okay, and you see hello world is on the first line, and press any key to continue is on the second line. Okay, but that is more to write, and the ANDL for every cout is a lot. So if we want to do that easier, we can also write here that /m. Okay, and if we write here /n, we'll do the same, and yeah, you see that these are on the separate lines without ANDL, and that's the easiest program in C++. Not hard, not everything. If you already know it, and if you don't already know that, but C++ is the C language, but with more comments. For example, that's a program in C++, but we combine these two languages in one. For example, that's the library for C++, IOStream that, but we want to combine C with C++. Very easy. We'll write here include okay, so that's the library for C, and that's the library from C++, and we'll write here C++. Okay, and the command for show a message in C is printf. Okay, and here we'll write hello world C /n. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so we have here a program in two languages. For example, hello world, that here is in C++ and here is in C, and that's universal. Okay, So that's very easy to be programming, and in next video I'll learn you about variables. Well, I think you like it, and if you didn't understand something but because my English is bad, you can ask me on Facebook, YouTube and other. Okay? I know that my English is bad, but I I can do something. Okay, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.